So basically what we need to do, it should be instinctive. Okay? Instinctive. It should be second nature. So it should be simple procedure. So you don't need to think a lot. And you know, when it happened, when you decided that you need to bail out, it should be happen very quick. The action that you need to do. Let's do it. My English. Today we're going to fly to the training zone. Because of the war, there are a lot of limitations, and last flight we could do only circuits, and today I can fly to the training zone and do some aerobatics. Atna? שזה לא היום, זה לא היום.
אבל למה, איך נגמר המצבר? נשאר משהו דלוק? קיק. נשאר משהו דלוק? לא? אז איך התרוקן המצבר?
So we didn't fly today. The battery was empty. I will return and charge it, and then we can fly. But I want to use that time here to practice on the bailout procedure. I haven't done it for I think 2 months, maybe more, and it's important to do it occasionally. So join me. טוב, בבא, אתה תצטרך לקחת זמן. יש לנו עוד 11. צריך ללכת, צריך להיות ב-12 בחדר כושר.
א', באמת, אתה תוכל לעמוד שם כדי שנוכל גם להראות שאתה כאילו מודד לזמן.
נכון?
כן.
תסביר מה עושה. It should be simple procedure, so you don't need to think a lot. And you know, when it happened, when you decided that you need to bail out, it should be happen very quick. The action that you need to do. First is first and second, while you're doing the other action, you report to the ATC that you're in distress and you're bailing out. Second is to shut off the engine. From any reason, you need to bail out. You don't want the engine, this giant knife spinning, to work.
Okay.
To run. You just need to shut off. You need to. The second thing. אני מסתכל עלייך ואז נראה כאילו את, נו יאללה כבר אתה גם כן. כאילו מבט כזה.
כבד לי לדבר כבר.
על מה את שמה את הרגל?
אני לא ממש משינה אותה.
לא, זה עדין שם.
אבל זה בדיוק על ה...
אסור.
נו.
first step you need to do is to report to the ATC so they will know you are in distress and you're attending to bail out so they can send some rescue. The second action you need to do is to shut off the engine. If you, from any reason, need to bail out and the engine is still running, you have to shut it off because you don't want the giant knife to spin. The third thing is to release the quick release cable from the helmet. We have quick release plug, and these guys should break under pressure, but they're pretty strong, and while you pushing yourself out from the cockpit, you don't want something will pull your head back to the airplane back. And the third, you need to open up the harness and quickly pull yourself out from the airplane. And while you're out, you need to stay a little bit, and then you pull this clip and open the parachute. All these actions, all these procedures should be take less than 8 seconds. This is my goal. So probably because last time I did it was, I think, more than 2 months ago, it will be much longer. So this is why we're doing it, to return back myself to service in this לא יודע, בקיצור, let's do it. My English.
לא רואים את הרגל.
Dad will take the time and will...
מההתחלה, תוך כדי שאני מדברת אתה מדבר, שינינו גם אותי, אתה יודע.
Dad will be outside and take the time, and also will tell me when I should start. איך אומרים מזניק?
Google Translate.
Okay, let's start. Tell me when I need to start. In Hebrew I'm better. Much better. But people said I'm getting improved. So I'm back on myself. To the exact position in flight. Even fasten the seat belt. So this is the plug. It's here. And I will show you first what we're gonna do. So this is attached to the harness. And if you want to push yourself, it can do this to your head, and it's very dangerous. So the first thing you need to do is to plug it out. Because I don't want to break something, we will do it with the canopy open. Turning on the ignition and put the mixture to full reach, but the master is closed, the fuel valve is shut off. So it will demonstrate exactly the situation while I'm in the air. אני מוכן.
סע.
מיידי, אוסקר, מקרו, מבצע נטישה.
Nice.
Not that bad, but definitely not good enough. So we do it again.
סע.
מיידי, אותו מייקל מאוד בצד.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Getting closer.
צא.
מיידי, אוסקר מייקל מאוד בצד.
3, 4, 5,
11?
היציאה שלך היא קצת, כל העמידה וכל הזה,
מבוססת.
היא לא מהוססת, אבל כנראה שמפריעים לך שם דברים, לא? יש שם דברים שמפריעים לך?
אני עדין, כאילו, אני צריך לקפל את הרגליים יותר מהר. טוב, אני מוכן.
סע.
מיידי, אוסקר מייקל מאוד מבצע משהו.
7.92.
כמה?
7.92.
7.92. 7.92. It's too close to the 8, but it's less than 8, so it's good. But I want to do it at least 2 more times and see it's not a coincidence.
יאללה, ready? Ready?
Huh?
Are you ready? צא. שמונה.
תראה לי.
לא, זה, אל תסתכל על 47.
8.40.
לא, חכה רגע. אתה כבר יצאת, ואני לא עצרתי את זה פשוט. לא הגעתי.
אז בוא נעשה עוד פעם כדי
נעשה עוד פעם.
מוכן.
צא.
מיידי, אוסקר מייקל מאוד מבצע 9. 6.78. Yeah, I felt it was quicker. So it about 4 or 5 times less than 8 seconds. It's not a coincidence, but I need to return to do it once every two flights, because it's very important. It will keep as a second nature. You don't want to think when you do these actions. You know, the hands should be go with your instincts. The only thing you want to think is if to bail out or not, to get the decision, and this is also take time, and you also need to do it quick. So it's very important that the procedure once you decide you do it will be quick, because every second is matter. You don't know what an emergency will push you to decide to bail out. It can be engine failure, it could be, I don't know, failure on the stick, fire, any reason. So all the actions should be very quick. I really hope you enjoy from this video, guys. If you like it, please click thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. מתי עצר כשהייתי עם הרגל למעלה?
לא יודעת, נו, מה זה משנה? יאללה. אין לך כוח,
איך אומרים את זה? It doesn't... איך אומרים את זה?
מה?
שלא הצלחנו. So we ran out of battery. Sucks, but אני לא יודע מה אני רוצה להגיד.
אין זה, אז
So
לפחות
we ran
נעשה
out from
אימון.
battery. So we ran out of מטוס.
רואים את המטור, כאילו...
רואים אותו מספיק טוב?
כן.
So,
רגע,
today...
רגע.
נו.
זהו, יאללה.
אתם רואים אותי בסדר?
כן.
אוקיי, בסדר. לא, כי אני לא רגיל שזה כזה מרחק.
רואים אותך מעולה.
So, today...
לא, אתה מתחיל מ-So Today.
אוקיי. Hey guys.
כן.
בקליטה?
כן, מה, כבר שעה מקליט.
Hello guys, today we have
כמו, היום אנחנו חוזרים לקשירות
כן,
שלא טסתי
חוכמה גדולה.
זמן.